Hey there, 8 websites to find virtual assistant jobs from home right now in this video. Stay tuned to get promo codes for a registration discount. The demand for virtual assistant services is growing at a steady pace. Plus, you can pick your own hours and work with your choice of clients. Virtual assistants are sometimes equipped with basic interpersonal and organizational skills, but sometimes have highly specialized experience and proficiencies. Because of this, the pay rate can vary widely. If you have unique skills and provide value to your clients, your hourly wage can be quite high. But even basic administrative tasks like time management, scheduling meetings, making phone calls, and handling travel arrangements can earn you well over $20 an hour if you find the right employer. Don't limit yourself. Feel free to think outside the box and stand out from the crowd. That could be the difference between making a decent living and a great one with a legit online job earning $40,000 or more a year. Number 1. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a website for remote jobs that screams every listing to make sure it's legitimate. And there are plenty of jobs listed, more than 30,000 in fact. FlexJobs isn't a free site though. You will pay a low fee each month to use their service. But because they offer high quality opportunities, it's worth the fee. You can see what kind of jobs they offer before you pay anything. That sneak peek will help you determine whether you want to sign up. You can cancel at any time, so your best bet is to browse the listings, see if anything looks like a good fit, and only sign up when you are ready to see the specific application details. The ways to Wealth exclusive offers. Use code WEALTH at checkout to save 30% on your FlexJobs membership. Tips for getting hired on FlexJobs. Remember, when applying for jobs like this, fortune favors the bold. Don't be afraid to apply for a virtual assistant job where you don't have all the listed requirements. A job description is more of a wish list than something written in stone. So put your name out there and see what happens. Instead of sending out a standard submission for a job, spend some time personalizing each one. If you craft a killer job submission, you'll have a much better chance of getting hired. Yes, you won't be able to send out as many applications because they will take extra time, but you land a higher percentage of the ones you submit. Number 2. Armwork. Armwork can be highly competitive, but there are tons of jobs posted daily. The work is out there, whether you are looking for a full-time gig or just trying to make a little extra income. The opportunities on Armwork range from low-paying to high-paying, so you have to be selective. There are plenty of non-phone jobs if you don't want to spend a lot of your time making calls. One thing to keep in mind when you are applying on Armwork is that the platform hosts a large number of overseas clients in addition to those based in the US. You'll find that the former tends to pay much less than the latter, so you'd be better off trying to land US clients. If you are a US citizen, Armwork has a filter to make your research easier. You can set the filter show only jobs posted by US clients. Tips for getting hired on Armwork. Quality over quantity. You have to stand out in the crowd because there are so many freelancers on this site. Take a unique angle. Look at your hobbies, not just your work experience and skills when you're looking for a virtual assistant job there. Sometimes your hobbies might give you the edge. If your potential client owns a metal detecting company, it might help you land that virtual assistant job if he or she knows you depth in metal detecting. Number 3. TopTal. TopTal is another big freelancing platform aimed at linking businesses with the talent they need. Some of the jobs offered here include software engineers, designers, and consultants, as well as virtual personal assistant roles. Tips for getting hired on TopTal. You need to apply, and the site can be fairly choosy about the candidates it accepts. But what's a good thing, it shows to your potential bosses that you're qualified for what they throw your way. Number 4. Craigslist. Before you rule this one out, give it a chance. Yes, you can find virtual office assistant work on the same site you'd use to sell your old workout equipment. Craigslist has a bit of a bad rap, but if you are careful, you can find quality jobs here. Tips for getting hired on Craigslist. This site features many local entrepreneurs who are looking to hire assistants. And yes, you can still work from home with many of these gigs. Just because your boss is in your town, that doesn't mean you'll need to physically show up to an office. Plus, there is no reason why you can't research for a job in other cities and pitch the idea of a virtual personal assistant to prospective employers. Watch out for scams because they seem to plague Craigslist more than other sites. Watch out for broken English or poorly written posts, and stay away from people who say they need to meet with you right away. Number 5. Indeed. Indeed is a massive site that lets workers search jobs postings and upload their resumes for free. This site gets a lot of traffic with 250 million unique monthly visitors. Tips for getting hired on Indeed. The best thing about Indeed is the supply. There are so many jobs that, with a little creativity, you are bound to find work. Don't search for only virtual personal assistant jobs. Use different keyword combinations based on your skills, so that you are not looking at the same jobs as everyone else. Know what everyone who wants to be a virtual assistant will search for: virtual assistant jobs. But not every potential client will list their work that way. Number 6. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great networking site, but it's also an effective place to look for jobs. You can find full-time and part-time work in every field imaginable. Tips for getting hired on LinkedIn. Update your LinkedIn profile to make it current. Make sure the photo you upload is a quality professional portrait. This isn't the time to use a blurry photo of you holding your cat. Have a well-written summary where you talk about what you accomplished. Make sure to mention specific achievements, not just your job title. Number 7. Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to sell your services, including virtual office assistant work, to customers throughout the world. Number 8. Belay. Belay hires virtual assistants to manage a variety of tasks for their clients. Specialities include bookkeepers, executive assistant positions, web specialists, and content writers. 75% of Belay contractors have a bachelor's degree and previous experience in administrative support. As their clients are based in the United States, you'll need to be available during their business hours. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.